every single person, चाहे वो बच्चा हो, बड़ा हो या बुजुर्ग हो, एडिक्शन इज जस्ट सोशल मीडिया. Whenever हमें लगता है कि कहीं जाना है, कुछ खाना है, so हमें लगता है let's check the reels, what's trending these days. You are a food blogger or an influencer.
Blogger is something a very different job.
Still a question mark. लोगों को आज भी नहीं पता कि Instagram, YouTube से कमाते कैसे हैं.
Absolutely.
Every second person is an influencer. जो वड़ा पाव बेच रही है लड़की चंद्रिका आशीष से I am an influencer. मैं फूड ब्लॉगर भी हूँ, मैं बना भी रही हूँ, मैं बेच भी रही हूँ.
तो अगर आप खुद को इन्फ्लुएंसर बोल रहे हो, so you need to make sure that you are providing something to your audience, that you are literally influencing your audience.
So I'm sure you must be having a team of content writer, editor, videographer, everything you have?
No. So basically I work independently. I don't have a team right now. The brand started reaching out to me.
The fake followers are like growing. मतलब मुझे तो लगने लग गया हर एक की fake followers होते हैं.
The influencers that you are seeing having fake followers, उनका ये है कि बस हम आए और हमें फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, हमें ब्रांड्स चाहिए, हमें पैसा चाहिए.
The best food item you have ever tasted?
You must be aware of अमृतसर का खाना is like एक पंजाबी की जान खाना. तो अमृतसर is literally a food heaven.
The way how you dress, is it a challenge?
Absolutely, it's a challenge. Every day you wake up, you need to think कि आज कौन सा आउटफिट पहनना है, आज कैसे तैयार होना है.
Getting up in the morning to the sleep on the bed at night. Everybody, every single person, चाहे वो बच्चा हो, बड़ा हो या बुजुर्ग हो, addiction is just social media. Whenever हमें लगता है कि कहीं जाना है, कुछ खाना है, so हमें लगता है let's check the reels, what's trending these days. Morning में उठते ही प्लान बना फ्रेंड्स के साथ, let's go for a lunch. कहाँ से इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है? Instagram से, reels, whatever you want to eat, whatever you want to taste, सब reels दिखती है सोशल मीडिया पे. और यही रील से अगर हमारे को कुछ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स अच्छे से बता दे कि कौन सा खाना कहाँ पे अच्छा मिलता है तो उससे सोने पे सुहागा क्या. सो लेट्स वेलकम पलक कपूर ऑन आवर शो कॉफी अनफिल्टर्ड. थैंक यू सो मच पलक फॉर कमिंग टू आवर शो कॉफी अनफिल्टर्ड.
Thank you so much for having us.
सो इन दिस शो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आप कुछ अनफिल्टर्ड स्टोरीज बताओगे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के बारे में.
Of course, absolutely.
सो यू आर जस्ट 26, राइट? एंड यू आर अ फूड ब्लॉगर और एन इन्फ्लुएंसर.
So I am a food influencer. Bloggers are something who writes elaborative blogs. But if you talk about an influencer are someone जो लोगों को influence करते हैं to visit a certain place. Or since I'm into food, so influencers' job is to persuade people to go to these places, to go to restaurants and try different cuisines. So blogger is something a very different job, and influencers are something which is like a very very different job. So I call myself a food influencer and not a food blogger.
Nice, but 26 साल में फूड इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना, बिकॉज एट योर एज अगर मेरे को पास ऑप्शन होता मैं एक अच्छी जॉब करती, एक अच्छी सैलरी लेती. हाउ यू स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी? टेल मी अबाउट योर जर्नी टुडे.
So I started this food influencing thing when I was in college back in 2017. So you guys must be aware of Hudson Lane in North Campus. So I did my bachelor's and master's in history from Hindu College. So वहाँ पे there were so many food joints. So back in 2017 I just randomly was clicking food pictures and all, और फिर अचानक से मन करा चलो यार Instagram पे upload कर देते just for family and friends. So I started uploading pictures, I started gaining likes, and then people started commenting that wow, we need to try this place. And gradually after some time brands started reaching out to me.
सीरियसली मतलब एक बीइंग अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हडसन लेन की पिक्चर्स ब्रांड ने अप्रोच कर लिया.
That is a very big achievement for me because एक 18 या 19 साल के लिए एक ब्रांड का आना और बोलना that you visit us, try our food and upload it on Instagram. It's a very unique and different thing.
कौन सा वो ब्रांड था?
That was Chayos. So Chayos were my first brand जिनके लिए I started uploading pictures, and उस वक्त it was a barter, so we just got the free food. और फूड के बदले हमने एक नॉर्मल उसको पिक्चर दी. द ब्रांड
कॉलेज लाइफ में तो आई थिंक यही बहुत होता है कि आप जाओ खाओ पिक्चर डालो, इट्स एनफ.
एंड दैट इज सो फन टू डू. मतलब आप कॉलेज में हो एंड स्टार्ट साइड बाय साइड द ब्रांड्स आर रीचिंग आउट टू यू. सो इट वाज अ वेरी फन टाइम फॉर मी.
सो इज इट अ प्रोफेशन?
Yes, I mean, if you talk about the recent times, you can call this field as a profession because you can literally monetize your content and you can earn on a monthly or a daily basis. So yes, it's a
क्वेश्चन मार्क. लोगों को आज भी नहीं पता कि इंस्टाग्राम यूट्यूब से कमाते कैसे हैं? कैन यू टेल आवर व्यूअर्स?
Absolutely. So there are a lot of sources to earn money. अगर हम Instagram की बात करें, you have reels, you can monetize content, the brands will reach out to you, और फिर brands आपको बोलेंगे you create a reel for us, and in return of that you can earn a money. Then we have this affiliate marketing, wherein they will generate a code specific for you, for your audience, and if your audience is buying that product using your code, so that could be another source of income. Then we have, if you talk about YouTube, we have ads in between long videos. So ads is another source of income being a food influencer. So absolutely, I mean, I can say that this can be a literal profession if you are diligently working for it.
Consistency is important.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think beat any job, consistency is the thing that can literally help you grow. So if you're consistent, I think it would be very easy for you to monetize your content and be dedicated for it.
Don't you think agar like your parents would have always wished you to see you as an engineer, as a teacher, or any like such profession जहाँ पे एक fixed income हो?
Right, right. I mean, that is a very interesting thing for me. That is a bonus point for me. So my parents, my brother, he has been like a literally backbone of what I have been doing it. And I mean, my parents have been a literal support for that. They have encouraged me to do it. मतलब एक time ऐसा होता था like I used to wake up and मेरे पापा कहते थे यार आज कोई रील ही नहीं डाली. What are you doing? So nowadays, what parents want you to become an engineer, doctor, जैसे आपने कहा. लेकिन मेरे parents were like, नहीं, this is your passion, you pursue it. And so yeah, family has been a very, very good support for me.
So you have done bachelor's in history, then master's in history. So job क्यों नहीं?
So I'll be honest here. I have done job, like I was working in a US healthcare company for 2 years. And side by side, I was also doing this influencing thing. So I've used my degree in getting a job. And then after my job, now I thought that this is the right time to convert it as a full-time thing. So yes, I have done a job as well, side by side of this influencing.
That time was it easy manageable? Because like you have a 8 to 10 hours fixed job, and then you are doing it as an influencer, you have to show it every day. Every day influencer has to show some new good reels, some new content. So it's difficult.
Question. So I found a job which was actually a night shift. So my job used to start at 6 in the evening and it goes till 3 in the morning. So the time that was before 6, I used that time to create reels because, when we are creating content, so the main thing that we take care of is that we are getting a natural light. And you see, post 6, we don't have natural light. So before 6, I used to create content for my page. And after 6, I work for the US Healthcare.
So I'm sure you must be having a team of content writer, editor, videographer, everything you have.
No. So basically, I work independently. I don't have a team right now. And I am the one who is creating the content, who is editing the video, or who is creating the invoices for the brand. So I'm doing it independently. I don't have a team right now.
So the way Chayos or any brand approached you, is it vice versa also?
Yes, absolutely. So it's not always that brands reach out to us. We also reach out to the brands with our proposal that this is what we can provide you in return to maybe your food or maybe a review. And if you like our rate card, if you like the deliverables that we share, so it's basically a both side thing. It's not that only brands can reach out to us. हम भी brands के पास जाके अपना proposal दे सकते हैं. There are very good brands that literally like के influencer आए, and if they have something to offer, so they'd be happy to have us on board.
Don't you think the influencer world itself अब बहुत ही बड़ा अजीब सी बात भी हो गई because every second person is an influencer. जो वड़ा पाव बेच रही है लड़की चंद्रिका, she says I'm an influencer, मैं food blogger भी हूँ, मैं बना भी रही हूँ, मैं बेच भी रही हूँ, and that's kind of a dirty thing which I have seen on the roads of the Delhi. लड़ रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं just to get famous.
Right. So, I mean, being an influencer requires a very dedication and consistent. और अगर आप खुद को influencer बोल रहे हो, so you need to make sure that you are providing something to your audience, that you are literally influencing your audience. अब आप एक type of content, you're giving a sort of information to them, then you can call yourself influencer. But if I am going on roads and I'm fighting and I'm uploading a picture just so that I can get a viral, I don't think so you're influencing anyone. I mean, आप किस बात का influencer करो that you're fighting on the roads? That is what, or the police is literally dragging you from your cart. Is that
But then she's not contestant of Big Boss. It's a big thing.
Nowadays, the fame or the audience or the followers that you have only matters for some of the brands. So that is why she went to literally Big Boss thing. But I think that if you are an influencer, you should actually providing a thoughtful information to your audience. They should know that, okay, this particular piece of content is going to help me in the future. But nowadays, this influencing thing has become literally dirty. You can upload a very random thing on your Instagram and then you can go viral in a day, even if that information is not literally providing you with.
So being a food influencer, so you go to 5 stars hotels, you go to Delhi Eye, street food, you visit street vendors, everything. The best food item you have ever tasted.
So I think Gulati in Pandara Road is one of my favorite place to be at. I recommend you to try butter chicken with garlic naan at Gulati. It is one of the best to have. So that is one of the place I literally love in Delhi. And then if you talk about the street food, I think I tried a Nutri Kulcha, which is in Ashok Vihar or Vijayanagar. So that is something I would recommend your audience, my audience, to absolutely try it.
So that's the Delhi. Do you travel also?
Oh, of course. I do travel a lot. My recent trip has been to Amritsar, and you must be aware of Amritsar ka khana is like एक पंजाबी की जान.
पंजाबियों का खाना.
तो Amritsar is literally a food heaven for a food influencer. So I've tried various type of naans over there and a lot of other food joints that I visited in Amritsar. So Mumbai is another place where you can literally get the viral food dishes to try. So if you're a food influencer, if you're trying to be viral, and if you want to be trendy, I would recommend you to go to Mumbai and try their fusion dishes. It's absolutely like a piece of content that can make you go viral.
So I was going through your profile. Your biography said कि will start my diet from tomorrow. कब आएगा ये tomorrow? Because the way you are telling me, इतना अच्छा खाना, इतना अच्छा food, diet, I don't think that's possible.
That is something I am also still figuring out. वो सिर्फ लिखने के लिए ही है. That day will never ever come in my life and I'm literally dieting.
That's nice. So which other places you have traveled?
I've been to Kashmir and I've been to Shimla. I have tried the food of Gwalior, Agra, and then I've also been to Mussoorie. And I really love the food of Vrindavan. That is one of the one of the food that I tried over there, which is jalebi with aloo ki sabzi.
Jalebi with aloo ki sabzi?
You will not believe that reel literally went viral. It wasn't tasty. I mean, it is a staple food for the UP people, but it wasn't actually tasted, me being a Punjabi. But that reel literally helped me to get featured in newspapers. Good news channels have published about it. And then there were so many articles on Google posted about that one.
You have told me that you've been to Mumbai, you've been to Amritsar, Kashmir. Tell me the best places to visit because हमारे दर्शक जानना चाहेंगे कि वहाँ जाके क्या खाएं और कहाँ से खाएं.
बिल्कुल. सो पहले हम मुंबई की बात करते हैं. आई हैव बिन टू मुंबई. और मुंबई की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो अगर आप मुंबई जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट फ्यूजन फूड्स. सो अगर मैं सबसे पहले बात करूँ तो मैंने मिक्की माउस डोसा ट्राई करा था, विच इज़ फ्रॉम अवंतिका फूड कॉर्नर इन बोरीवली. आपने नॉर्मल डोसा सुना होगा, मसाला डोसा, रवा डोसा, प्लेन डोसा, बट मिक्की माउस डोसा, दिस वॉज माई रिएक्शन व्हेन आई वॉज इन मुंबई कि मिक्की माउस डोसा क्या होता है. सो दैट प्लेस लिटरली सर्व्स very different type of dosas, be it Mickey Mouse dosa, Tom and Jerry dosa. So I tried Mickey Mouse dosa, which was a pink and green color dosa. और वो literally it was in shape of a Mickey Mouse. I mean, मैं अगर आपसे पूछूँ, आपने भी शायद ऐसा डोसा तो कभी.
मैं 2 साल मुंबई रही हूँ, but I couldn't explore this place.
So if anyone is going to Mumbai, I would absolutely recommend this place. जहाँ पे आपको normal डोसा के अलावा आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डोसाज मिलेंगे. उसके अलावा मस्ट विजिट प्लेसेस कालीदास का वड़ा पाव. अब मुंबई गए और वड़ा पाव नहीं खाया तो दिल्ली आके जैसे छोले भटूरे नहीं खाए. सो यू शुड एब्सोल्युटली विजिट दिस कालीदास. और उसका मसाला वड़ा पाव खाओगे तो यू विल लिटरली ड्रूल ओवर इट. सो दिस इज 2 ऑफ माई फेवरेट जॉइंट्स व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई. इसके अलावा यू सेड आई ट्रैवल टू अमृतसर. अब अमृतसर जाओ और नान ना खाओ, वही बात है. सो you must have seen Diljit Dosanjh recently went to Arshi Kulcha Corner.
अर्शी कुलचा.
हाँ, अब एक नॉर्मल कुलचा होता है, वहाँ पे you will get cut वाला कुलचा, which is they literally cut the kulcha and then they do something, but that kulcha is absolutely delicious. और अगर वहाँ गए और अर्शी का कट वाला कुलचा नहीं खाया तो like कुछ भी नहीं खाया.
अमृतसर नहीं गए फिर तो आप.
And then you should also try, have you heard of Pede the Lassi? अब आप सोचो एक मिठाई विच इज़ अ नॉर्मल पेड़ा एंड देन यू हैव इट इन द लस्सी, आप वो पेड़े लस्सी में पेड़ा मिक्स करके यू आर literally drinking it. So it's a very fusion drink to try. So this is one of the place that I would recommend if you are in Amritsar. Do try Pede de Lassi from Gyan de Lassi.
मैं लास्ट मंथ ही गई थी अमृतसर. आई एम जस्ट विश कि मैं इससे पहले मिली हुई सो आई वुड हैव ट्राइड दीज थिंग्स टू. नेक्स्ट टाइम डेफिनेटली आई एम कमिंग टू हैव दिस पेड़े की लस्सी. एंड कश्मीर, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन कश्मीर?
Kashmir, like I can literally not explain in words. It's heaven on earth. It's so beautiful. The food of the Kashmir is also very authentic. Be it you have a Kashmiri puchka which is in Srinagar Dal Lake. It's very good, and then they have this shawarma which is shawarma. So they have this tortilla और उस पे वो कश्मीरी कुछ chicken and all add करके it
You're
tastes
non-vegetarian?
Yeah, I'm a non-vegetarian. I love now. That is why I recommended you Gulati's butter chicken. I am sure you must be drooling right now.
Yes. कौन सी ऐसी रील है जो सबसे ज़्यादा वायरल हुई है?
अगर मैं आपसे recent टाइम की बात करूँ तो it's been 2 or 3 days back I uploaded a reel of a jiggly pancakes which like they jiggle like that. So that reel went viral. I mean, I garnered a viewership of 20 lakh in just one day. And if you talk about my career as a whole, so there are a lot of reels. That the reel that I talked about, which is jalebi with aloo ki sabzi, and then the Mickey Mouse dosa.
फर्स्ट कौन सी रील थी जो वायरल हुई थी?
Okay, so it was back in 2019 when the COVID hit. We had a video platform on Instagram. So उस वक्त मैंने रेसिपी क्यूरेट करना स्टार्ट किया था. So I prepared a तंदूरी चिकन रेसिपी. और वो रील मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा कोविड के टाइम पे वायरल हुई थी. दैट इज़ द रील दैट लिटरली फ्रॉम दैट रील पीपल लिटरली स्टार्टेड रिकॉग्नाइजिंग मी एज अ क्रिएटर. सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द रील दैट वेंट वायरल.
तो ऐसा होता है when you ever go in the markets to the food places, new food places, people recognize you?
Yeah, a lot of times even if I go to intercity, वो मेरे पास लोग आके बोलते हैं मैम हमने आपको देखा किसी रील पे. मैम आप वही थे ना वो जो कुलचा खा रहे थे वहाँ पे. So it happens a lot of time.
Who is your role model in this industry?
Okay, so I'll be very honest here. I told you that I started as a very very random thing. I've never seen any influencer कि हाँ यार इसकी तरह बनना है. It's just that I diligently worked hard और मुझे लगा कि नहीं मुझे खुद चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करनी चाहिए, खुद मेहनत करनी चाहिए. मैंने किसी को ऐसा कभी देखा नहीं है, बट आई रियली एडमायर शिवेश भाटिया. आई रियली लव हिज photography skills. I really love how he creates content. So he's one of the influencer that I really like the content of. So
कुछ लर्न करने की कोशिश की लाइक फोटोग्राफी, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कोर्सेज. आजकल इन्फ्लुएंसर कोर्सेज आ चुके हैं, फोटोग्राफी कोर्सेज आते हैं, बिकॉज लाइक नो कंटेंट हैज टू बी वेरी नीट एंड क्लासी. So have you done any such course?
Google has like it's been a long time. Google has helped me with one of the influencer course जिसमें उन्होंने सिखाया था what kind of videography and photography you can learn from those courses, and then how you can literally reach out to brands or how you can create a different set of content. लेकिन आजकल तो we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT can literally help you with anything.
So you got awards also. Last year I think आपको award मिला so as a best food influencer. So tell me something about how it went.
So that is a very interesting story. I was actually at Bhimtal. मैं अपने friends के साथ भीमताल की trip पे थी. I got a call that hi Palak, you are being awarded as a food influencer of the year. तो आपको ऐसे ऐसे आना है. अब I was very confused कि जाना चाहिए. आजकल आपको पता है awards, you cannot rely on awards कि सही है. मैंने उनसे पूछा that on what basis I've been chosen for it. So they gave me this parameter that your views and then your reels authenticity. So I went to it was happening in JLN Stadium. तो वहाँ मैं गई. There were footfall of 50,000 people. And me, I mean, as a very budding influencer, it was a very big opportunity for me. तो वहाँ पे I got awarded as a food influencer of the year. So that is something I consider is as the biggest achievement.
But these days I've seen that any XYZ is getting an award. And I think that's being paid also. आप खरीद सकते हो अवार्ड को. कभी मलाइका अरोड़ा अवार्ड दे रही है, कभी तुषार कपूर अवार्ड दे रहे हैं.
अगर मेरी बात माना जाए, जिसके पास कंटेंट होता है उसको अवार्ड खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, लेकिन जिसके पास कंटेंट नहीं होता, जिसको फ्री का रिकॉग्निशन चाहिए, उसको फिर अवार्ड खरीदना पड़ता है. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट केन्स. And it was a very disheartening for me to see a lot of influencers have literally bought ticket to visit Canes, and then those people have uploaded posts that it was a biggest achievement for us to be at Kane. So I don't think that is an achievement.
The way it happened, no, jo blue verification, Twitter verification,
Instagram verification, yeah.
Earlier it was a task to get
Right.
verified.
And that is the best
But now
thing.
you pay it and you get it.
I think you also agree on that.
Yeah, I actually posted because my sister got a verified account after working for 15 years. Actually, she worked hard for 15 years and I got in a one day because I paid for it.
You see the difference that one person is literally working for 15 years, diligently working, and then the another person can get it like what, paying something amount, and then you're done. So that is a very disheartening thing, me as an influencer.
Best appreciation you have got till yet.
I told you that the award that I got, the second award that I got from Meta itself, which is from Instagram, which is the best something real creator award. So that is also one of the biggest achievement, you know, from getting an award from the Meta organization.
What impacts more, the photography or the reels, the videos?
Because a lot of reels have garnered very good amount of viewership. So they have started this campaign wherein every month one of the creator is being awarded from Meta. So that is the time I got an award from Meta.
So I'm sure बहुत सारे ऐसे आपके followers होंगे जो आपसे interact करना चाहते हैं. So how you do? Have you ever got one-to-one with your audience?
Through Instagram, yes, I use the feature that they have, which is story, going live, responding to comments. A lot of influencers does not respond to their audience, but I use all of these tools that Instagram provided to interact with my audience, and it helps you to grow as well.
Palak, the most beautiful experience जो आपको मिला हो throughout your life till now.
Okay, so I went to Kashmir, as I told you, and Kashmir में एक जो जगह है गुलमर्ग, जो मेरे ख्याल से सबसे सुंदर सिटी आप कह लो. So वहाँ पे एक जगह है इग्लू कैफे, which is in phase 1 of गुलमर्ग. आपको गंडोला लेना पड़ेगा, and through गंडोला you go to the phase 1. तो वो इग्लू कैफे is basically a dome shape है, ग्लास का डोम है, and then अंदर आप बैठ के एक रोमांटिक सा लंच कर सकते हैं, and then snowfall हो रही है. So that is a very, very beautiful place I've been to, and the cost is also, it's very pocket friendly. Like for two, it's 2,000 rupees. अब 2,000 पे snowfall हो रही है, glass dome है, you are having a lunch inside that dome. How beautiful it is. So it's a very pocket friendly place, and it's a must visit if you are in Kashmir. So that is the most beautiful, you can say, a dining place that I have been to.
And the worst place?
The worst place that I'm into, I will actually talk about the worst food that I tried that I've told you, which is jalebi with aloo ki sabzi. I mean, me being a Punjabi,
Can't even imagine.
exactly, that is what I'm saying. I cannot even imagine having a jalebi with aloo ki sabzi even in my dreams. So that was literally the worst food I have ever had.
Punjabis,
I don't know how this...
Punjabis का तो mood off हो जाएगा
Punjabis तो नहीं खा सकते. Punjabi जलेबी खा सकते हैं, रबड़ी के साथ, आलू और पूड़ी साथ खा सकते हैं. That's it.
Because अभी हम we have seen this trend because Instagram में आज एक नया influencer आता है, उसके 10,000 followers भी हो जाते हैं. The fake followers are like growing. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे तो लगने लग गया हर एक की fake followers होते हैं.
Right. So nowadays, the influencers that you are seeing having fake followers, उनका ये है कि बस हम आए और हमें followers चाहिए, हमें brands चाहिए, हमें पैसा चाहिए. I believe in quality over quantity. I think अगर आप एक thoughtful और एक informative piece of content अपनी audience को दे रहे हो, तो I don't think the followers numbers matter. लेकिन आजकल लोगों को ये है कि बस हम आए, हमने fake followers खरीद लिए और काम हो गया. And you won't believe, brands सबसे पहले ये चीज़ पकड़ लेते हैं. They have all these tools with them जिसमें वो बता सकते हैं that this particular influencer is having fake followers. And I don't think what is the point of having a fake follower. You're being very dishonest to your audience first. And secondly, you will get recognized by Instagram as well, and Instagram can literally remove your account. So फिर क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? So it's better to have an authenticity when it is coming to creating content rather than having fake followers.
ऐसी कौन सी रील थी ऐसी जो तुम्हारी जो फर्स्ट रील रही हो या जो कोई बाकी रील्स भी डाली जिससे सबसे ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स आपके बड़े हों?
आप किसी भी फ्यूजन फूड्स की बात करो, बीट द मिकी माउस डोसा, बीट आलू की सब्जी, एंड दैट कट कुलचा आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट, ऑल ऑफ दिस रील्स literally helped me gain a lot of followers in a span of a day. So in 24 hours, I've gained literally 5,000 to 6,000 followers just from that one reel of, let's say, Mickey Mouse dosa or aloo ki sabzi and that jalebi. So any fusion food and you're viral.
Viral. So what do you think? Street food is better or the 5-star culture is better?
For me, I talk about street food over anything. I am not a very complex person. We can literally have, मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता किस हाथ में knife होगा और किस हाथ में fork होगा. So I always will go for a pani puri place to go, and then I can have chole bhature.
So उनके लिए तो कुछ free में भी you have to do? The brands pay, but बेचारे street vendors कैसे pay करें?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने. The street food joints will never pay you, but again, it's our duty. If I am an honest influencer, it's my duty. If if they're serving something good, which is tasty, which is delicious, it's my duty to promote them. So I've been to a lot of food joints. I have literally shot a video for them without getting anything from them. So yes, I do support a lot of food joints.
And hotels like 5-star hotels like Bukhara, Taj, do they also pay? Do they need influencer marketing?
No, they don't pay. So they have to just use their whatever marketing amount that they have set. They have to use that marketing amount in inviting an influencer. And then I think they have to show it in their all tax calculation that this marketing amount we have used in calling an influencer, but they don't usually pay. No, they don't pay.
So it has been it's not easy job also कि सारा दिन अच्छा खाना ढूंढना, अच्छा खाना खाना, फिर उसके साथ उसकी वीडियो एडिट करना. It's a long process. So tell our viewers जो नए influencers बनना चाहते हैं, those who want to be the food blogger, food influencer, those who want to become the food influencer, उनको क्या 5 steps लेने चाहिए?
So the things a budding influencer has to take care of while thinking to become an influencer, first of all is deciding your niche. You want to become a food influencer, or you want to become a makeup influencer, or you want to go for fashion, or so you have to first decide your niche. Secondly, you should have that dedication to create content. You need consistency to create content. That okay, I wake up and now I need to shoot content. You need to think out of the box. Because आजकल तो सबका ऐसा है कि फ़ोन हुआ and then you shoot a reel and it's done. But no, you need to think out of the box कि हम कैसे अपनी audience को एक reliable, एक authenticity वाली information provide कर पाए. Thirdly, a tool. I am not saying that you need to buy expensive gadgets in order to become an influencer, but I think your normal phone can help you out. You just need to turn on your camera, you need to start recording, and that's it. Fourth, I think you should do a lot of research and development, which is watching the YouTube videos on how to shoot a reel, or how to edit your reel, or how to create caption. So yeah, these are some of the things I think that need to take care of in order to become an influencer.
एक ऐसी perfect meal that one should try.
So my comfort meal is माँ के हाथ का खाना. मतलब इतना बाहर का खाने के बाद अगर आप घर जाओ और माँ के हाथ के राजमा चावल मिल जाए तो बात ही बन जाए. So if you talk about the comfort meal, anything with rice, but again माँ के हाथ के.
उसके अलावा because you have been traveling a lot, तो मैं कुछ जानना चाहूँगी, you like momos or a pizza?
Always a momo fan. I can have momo at any point of the day, anywhere, even if I travel. मैं सबसे पहले ये चीज़ ढूंढती हूँ कि यहाँ के मोमो सबसे बढ़िया कहाँ मिलेंगे. Like literally the love of my life. Everyone knows that पलक को कहीं भी जाना है तो मोमोज खाने.
मोमोज मंगवा दो यार.
आप लोगों का फर्ज बनता है मुझे मोमोज खिलाना.
Being an influencer, आपको अपने आप को maintain करना पड़ता है. The way how you look, the way how you dress, is it a challenge?
Absolutely, it's a challenge. Every day you wake up, you need to think कि आज कौन सा आउटफिट पहनना है, आज कैसे तैयार होना है, and then you also need to make sure कि आप अपने आप को fit रख रहे हो, और you have to make sure that आप अपने आप को healthy रख रहे हो. So in order to do that, you need to make sure कि आप कितना meal खा रहे हो या कितना portion of meal बाहर जाके खा रहे हो, और आप balanced diet कैसे कर रहे हो. For example, you are having a छोले भटूरे in the morning as a breakfast, तो आप कोशिश करो that in the dinner you are having a bowl of salad. So you need to make sure that you are maintaining yourself while doing a food influence.
Talked about healthy food also. So are you promoting healthy food? Because वो घर का खाना है या जो बाहर outlets हैं वहाँ पे भी we get healthy food?
Sirf, I just talked about healthy food, but I don't like healthy food at all. I'm a very
छोला भटूरा person.
हाँ छोला भटूरा मोमोज वाला person.
That's the passion, you know. One should have the passion to eat also अगर food blogging करना.
अब 30-40 के बाद जब मुंह में दांत पे होंगे तो फिर कब खाओगे? अभी टाइम अभी खाना चाहिए.
Talking about me?
No, you're good. You're fit. You're good. But what do you suggest? You being 30 plus, what do you think? मैं सही बोल रही हूँ या मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ? आपको
Really believe कि healthy
मेरा ये माने you should enjoy your 20s while having junk food, या फिर 30s का सोच के अपने आप को healthy maintain करके healthy.
नहीं, you should enjoy your 20s. I think I've eaten a lot of छोला भटूरा, चाहे वो मोरिंगा के छोले भटूरे या राम के हो या नॉर्थ कैंपस पे कोई भी छोले भटूरे. I have been like eating everything. But post 30s, when you turn 35, no, you realize कि you need a healthy lifestyle. Because a woman body भाई बहुत changes हो जाते हैं, बहुत changes आते हैं. So then you avoid छोला भटूरा and get into the subway salad पे आ जाते हो आप. subway भी नहीं खा पाते हो sandwich, आपको salads पे ही आना पड़ता है.
I'm making sure that I'm enjoying my 20s fully, having my favorite momos and chole bhature.
So like no, you told me you're not married, right? What's your plan for the marriages?
I am planning to getting married this year. So manifestation. Let's see.
Like, don't you think कि वो एक challenge रहेगा for the new family also to adjust?
I think it depends upon people to people. If the new this influencing thing has become very common. I mean, every dadi nani also knows कि अच्छा ऐसे reel आती है और हमें ऐसे देखना है. So I think I will look for a family that will accept this influencing thing as a career for me, and they should have like mind like they should think like how I am thinking. And if I'm earning, I'm independent. I don't think that will be an issue. But again, this is a very undecisive thing to talk about because it actually depends upon people to people. We still have those people जिनको डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर वाली बहू चाहिए.
चल चाहिए. So what's next? What are you planning to switch to your job कि साथ साथ इन्फ्लुएंसर रहेंगे, ब्लॉगिंग करते रहेंगे और जॉब साथ में कर लेंगे, या फिर कोई एक ऐसा फ्यूचर प्लान है कि अपना रेस्टोरेंट खोलेंगे?
So I'll bifurcate my answers into two things. First, I'm planning to do this influencing thing for next whatever years because I've seen growth in it, and I really looking forward to expand my followers and then expand my content, think about new ideas. And the second question which you said, if you're planning to open a cafe, yes, I have a dream of opening a coffee shop with a book and bouquet store in mountains. Like I really love those small coffee places जहाँ पे आप आराम से जाओ, सामने पहाड़ है and then you're having a coffee और साथ ही एक flower shop है. So that is something I'm literally dreaming of.
So which is your next destination to travel? Your list where you want to travel.
As of now, I've traveled India in general. I never been international. I've never been on an international trip. But now I am planning, I really want to cover Europe food. I mean, the pastas, and then you have the wine over here. So all of these places I wanted to explore in Europe. So I'm thinking to visit Paris and then
Have you ever been approached by any brands from abroad?
International brands. Once I was approached for Spain. There's this marketing agency which approached me for Spain, but I was a little occupied with other things, so I had to leave that offer. But I'm really guilty about that. But if that is what it is meant for, you cannot do anything about that.
We are hoping to see you somewhere in international trip and having some good pastas and having some good food so that we can also travel next.
Absolutely.
So you are being a very very precise कि you have your own mindset कि मुझे ये life में करना है, but there are still people जो कुछ नहीं करना चाहते और उनको लगता है वो Instagram से काम सीख लेंगे या कुछ बन जाएंगे. ऐसा होता है क्यों?
I think अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम से काम मिल जाएगा या आप ग्रो कर लोगे, तो ऐसा नहीं होता. आपको एक विजन होनी चाहिए आपके माइंड में कि दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू डू. एंड इफ़ यू हैव दैट एबिलिटी, यू हैव दैट करेज टू डू समथिंग, जब आपने सोचा है मन में कि हाँ यार मुझे करना है, इफ़ यू हैव पैशन ओनली देन आई थिंक यू कैन ग्रो. अगर आपको लग रहा है आप रैंडमली रील डाल दोगे एंड यू बिकम एन इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड यू स्टार्ट अर्निंग, प्रोफेशन हो जाएगा, तो ऐसा नहीं होता. दिस इज अ मिथ एक्चुअली.
So let's do a rapid fire. You like momos or vada pav?
Momos.
Mountains or beaches?
Mountains.
South Indian or North Indian?
North Indian always.
A Netflix or a movie hall?
Netflix.
YouTube or Instagram?
Instagram. Reels, yes. Not shorts.
So thank you so much, Palak. You were a great info source for us. And मुझे आज समझ आ गया कि अगर मुझे Instagram या YouTube से कमाना है तो मुझे consistency दिखानी पड़ेगी. Guys, you also have to listen to her. She will give you a message. Last message from her, Palak.
So first of all, thank you so much for having us. I'm really, really grateful for Coffee Unfiltered for having me. And I just have to say that if you are in your 20s or 30s, regardless of your age, go out, explore, try new things, and try to get out of your bed. Try to create something unique if you really wanted to become an influencer. And for more real insights on how my journey has been or how you can become a good influencer, stay tuned for the whole podcast on Coffee Unfiltered. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Palak. Thank you for coming.